right? You want to just get your things prepared, wash all your produce, or rinse it, however you go about cleaning it. But how this helps me is that it saves me time, right? I use mason jars to store, right? And being able to preserve having any air to oxidize your juice. And this will allow me to maintain the freshness of the juice for up to 3 to 4 days. So yeah, storing is very important. And I like to bulk juice because it provides me with time. I don't have to juice every day. And usually during my juice feast, I'm juicing 2 times a week. Well, I do that juicing with a juice feast or not. But yeah, make sure you prepare yourself. Because if you don't prepare yourself well, then you'll find that you're spending a lot of time with cleanup, with juicing over and over. Now, granted, is this something that you like to do? Feel free, or if you're just juicing for the day, right? Sometimes you don't need to juice for a long period of time. You can go ahead and do that. But for me, I'm the type that likes to set myself up for the week, or at least 3 to 4 days, and then I'll do it again. So let's go ahead and take a look at this classic OG. Yeah, look at that just come out.